welcome back to Kurious Kira. Today, we're gonna be making blondies.
Did somebody say blondies?
Yes, Kukla.
Hi, Kira.
This is Kukla. She's gonna be my assistant chef today.
That's right.
All right, wanna get started?
Let's do it.
All right, first we're gonna add 1 cup of butter, which is equal to 226 grams. Next, we're gonna add 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar.
Ooh, I like sugar.
Yeah. And 1/2 cup of normal sugar, which is equal to 99 grams.
That's a lot of sugar.
It is a lot of sugar. Now let's mix. Wanna help me mix?
Sure. Looking good.
So Kukla, what's your favorite thing to eat?
I like chocolate.
Lots of chocolate or little?
Lots of chocolate.
What's your favorite kind of chocolate?
White chocolate.
Ooh, there might be a surprise later.
Oh boy.
When it's mixed, we're gonna add our dry ingredients in a separate bowl.
I thought we had to add the eggs.
Good thinking, Kukla. We're gonna add 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Can we use the mixer? It's kind of like a fun ride.
Oh, okay. Let's do it. Woohoo!
Wow, that's so fun.
Ooh, looking good, Kukla.
Excellent.
Okay. Let's let that sit for a little bit. And while we're letting that sit, let's add the dry ingredients. Okay.
You almost clotheslined me there.
Yeah. We're gonna add 2 1/4 cups of flour, which is equal to 36 tablespoons.
Oh my goodness, we'll be here all night measuring that.
Well, don't worry, we're gonna measure it in cups.
Oh, phew.
We're gonna add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, which is equal to 5 grams.
Okay.
Half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now let's mix.
You have a spoon?
Yeah, let's get a spoon.
That's a good idea. That's why I'm here. Don't feed humans.
Yeah, Kukla. You're very quick on your feet. We're gonna mix it. And now we're gonna add it to our wet mix.
Oh, it's coming together.
Yes, sir. Okay. We're gonna mix this for a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna add some chocolate chips.
Oh, my favorite. Woohoo!
I'm glad to see you're enjoying the ride. Mix, mix, mix. La 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 la, we're mixing.
Ingredients.
Okay.
In the bowl.
Now we're gonna add 2/3 of cup of chocolate chips.
Oh, I'm hungry. Can I have one?
Here.
Ah.
Mr. Mouse. Let's give you one more. Okay. We're gonna add them now before Kukla eats them all. And then we're gonna add 1 cup of walnuts. We're gonna now mix those in.
Wow, so what's the next step now that we've mixed everything together?
We are going to put it in a pan.
What size pan?
9 by 13.
And do we have to do anything special to the pan?
Yes, we have to put parchment paper on the bottom so it doesn't stick.
Oh, that's a great idea. And how long do we cook it for?
We're going to cook it for 25 to 30 minutes at the temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow, that's so hot.
Don't worry, you won't be burned.
Oh, good. And then we get to eat them?
Yeah.
I can't wait. Can you? Are you so excited?
Yes, I'm so excited. So now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Yay!
All right, Kukla, wanna help me open the door? Now it's all in the oven. Let's set a timer for it. 25 minutes. Now we have blondie!
Woo!
Yay! Yep, there's a special corner right here for you.
Yummy!
All good. It was fun baking with you, Kukla.
Same with you, Kira.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.